If you can dream it, you can do it, believed Walt Disney. Gandhiji often said, be the change you want to see in this world. These visionary thinkers strongly believed that dreaming big can motivate people to aim for impossible goals and enable them to transform from the ordinary to extraordinary. These people could make their dreams come true due to decisive factors like resolute focus on their goals, hard work and an interminable passion to excel. Much like these great leaders, several companies too have rallied their troops around a common vision. For example, Toyota Motor Corporation, which started off as a humble Japanese automobile company in 1937, today is a truly global multinational, employing over 338,000 people and is the 12th largest company in the world by revenue. Like Toyota, several companies in our sector have pursued their passion assiduously, creating tremendous value and experience for the customers, employees and shareholders. At Rane, we have now embarked on a journey of aggressive growth that will help us become global. In the history of Rane Group, we have successfully achieved several dreams. In 1959, the company then led by Mr. L.L. Narayan wanted to diversify into manufacturing, having been a wonderful distribution company since 1936. Rane trailed marquee customers to various locations and established plants across India and set up joint venture companies to make superior products. Beginning 2000, Rane intensely focused on TQM. The pursuit of TQM led to numerous benefits for the customers, and 3 Rane companies won the Deming Grand Prize. Later in 2011, the company wanted to diversify into aerospace and defense and went on to acquire a stake in Sasmos HET Technologies. Now in our next phase, we are in pursuit of an accelerated growth path wherein we aspire to triple our revenue. We believe this goal we set for ourselves will energize and enable us to work hard with passion and perseverance. We are confident that this dream too, like our earlier ones, will become a reality.
To dream, design and deliver the group's aspirations of profitable growth. There are 4 dimensions to our vision: triple our revenues, significantly increase overseas share of total revenues, explore futuristic opportunities in emerging new auto products and adjacent industries, grow and expand footprint in the non-auto space, especially in aerospace and defense.
A few years ago, the senior leadership of Rane did a self-diagnosis on what are some of our major achievements and what are some of the things we could have done better. There was consensus amongst us that while TQM, quality practices, customer connect, training and development were all outstanding at Rane, achieving accelerated growth is an area that we can do better. It was in this context of achieving profitable growth over the next decade that we engaged McKinsey and started Project 3D. Tripling our revenues and increasing overseas sales to 25% are absolute imperatives, and we need to do this more profitably than we have done in the past. Clearly, over the next 10 years, India is going to be one of the fastest growing automotive markets in the world, even faster than China. And in the domestic market, we need to not only aggressively defend our market shares, but also look for opportunities to increase it in both OE and the aftermarket segments. In the overseas market, Rane has already created a good brand name in both USA and Europe. We need to leverage this and grow significantly in the next 3 years. Towards this, we have recently set up a company in the US and also put together a team to strengthen our North American business. We will be doing something similar in Europe very soon. In the automotive side of our business, we will also start looking at acquisition opportunities both in India and abroad to help realize our 3D goals. As Mr. Ganesh mentioned, aerospace and defense is also an important sector for the future of the group. We are targeting to create a business of about 500 to 600 crores over the next 5 years, largely through SASMOS, which was a recent acquisition, and also some more new acquisitions. The recent Make in India initiative of the Prime Minister also clearly supports our 3D goals. We are starting another very exciting journey at Rane, and I look forward to everyone's participation and commitment towards this journey.
To implement the dream of 3 times growth, Rane has also realized the importance of stellar execution. A plan has to be sacrosanct, and we plan to set up a project management office to ensure continued focus on quality, cost and delivery.
At the beginning of this 3D journey, I would like to emphasize the importance of rigor in planning and execution. The SBP is a commitment over a 5-year horizon in sales and a 3-year period on financials. Every subsequent SBP must be an extension with course corrections on strategy based on year-end diagnosis. Achieving a plan is the best motivation for any team. Revenues from global markets is at about 17%. We need to increase this to 25%. This would call for moving from a conventional thinking of exports to perhaps a global footprint. We need to identify and bridge competency gaps to deliver on plan and achieve 3D. Whether it be business development or program management or whatever discipline, we need to deepen and widen our competence. There is tremendous opportunity for you to grow along with the company. If you wish to grow and make a difference to Rane, this is the time for you.
The approach to realize the dream is strategically designed as significant investment in business and people, expansion of leadership, competencies and capacity, upgradation of systems and process with a clear focus on ROCE, constituting a robust project management office at the company level to drive auto businesses, and a dedicated team at RCC to spearhead new auto and non-auto businesses. Let us live the dream of delivering on our specific responsibilities to the fullest. Together, we will make yet another dream a reality. As it is often repeated, our people are our greatest asset. And we are looking forward to your continued support, passion and drive as we begin a new era of accelerated, profitable growth across the world.